Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training. We're back and today we're going to look at a roof by extrusion. So if you go into our architecture tab, you'll see it here, roof by extrusion. So while we're here, we're going to use this house that we've been working on in a residential template. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Help me get to 5,000 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody. So I'm going to go into my plan where we have the AutoCAD drawn here. And so right here, you got this house, and we're going to get an idea of how this roof ridge goes. And we're going to simply just measure the distance here. I'm going to go to my annotate tab. I'm going to just measure from the ground up to that point. So that's 17 feet, and then from the back to, okay, we just put a line in there so we can use a reference point here. Annotate, detail lines, so there to there. And this distance from the back, let's go from the back here. Well, let's go from the front. That's going to be 18.9, okay. And then here we've got from the bottom of the house to the top 17. So that's where we want to put our point for our roof extrusion. So I'm going to go back into our west elevation here. And here, I already got my line here, and I think I got it at 17.1. That's close enough. And then here, I'll remember what we have here, 19.2.5. Let's just go double check that. 18. So we're going to push that 19. 4 inches, that's a little bit much. So let's go change this. Let's make this adjustment 19.9. 18.9 here. So I'm going to go back to the west. And I measure this to here to here. Okay. 18.9, so we're going to move this up 3 inches. 18.9. Okay. So now we're going to look at our roof by extrusion. So here we're going to use these as reference points. So I'm going to go into my architecture tab, select roof by roof. We're going to go roof by extrusion. And then here it's going to ask us to pick a plane. We're going to pick a plane. We can give it a name, or we're just going to say okay. And I'm going to pick that plane right there, right on the building, and that's the roof level. Go okay. So now we're going to draw in our roof. So we can go from this point. Now let me see. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to put this in wireframe so we can see what's going on here, because we want to hit the windows. There we go. So I'm going to go from here to here. I think that guy is about right there over the windows. And then going backwards, same deal, over the windows. And I went back to there. And then you just hit the green check mark. And there's our roof. Now go back into hidden line here, and let's look at our 3D view. Just like that. So here we've got our roof, but of course, okay, let's go into our site plan again and make these adjustments, because I think we got an overhang here. So I'm going to go to the site drawing, and here's our roof, and we're going to select it. Actually, we got good guides here, so I'm going to put that one over there, this one here, and then I think we can edit this. Let me see if we can edit this guy for the back and the front. Edit profile. I'm going to go base elevation. I'm going to this has got to be pulled back, but it can't really tell in this view because I'm going to go there, and I'm going to hit finish. Okay, So back into my 3D view, now we've got our roof here. So now we need to go and attach this bottom to base. So we'll select the wall, and then here we go attach. We'll push the line up. Okay, that's top base. Go ahead and do the same thing here. Select it, attach up the top. Okay, I'm gonna miss that one. So we'll select it here. So you always know by hitting the wall, and then you go attach the top. Okay, and then here, same deal. You go to the front, you select the wall, attach the top, touch the wall, the roof, and there you go. And then we need to fix this one here. Select it, attach the top, select the top, there. Okay, so that's how you do a roof by footprint or extrusion. So we got a little issue in here. I don't know what this is, so I'm going to see if I can fix that. So I'm going to go with the select this. What is that? I think that's a wall down there. I'm going to attach top. Same here. Okay. Attach top. Try one more time. But anyway, that's basically how you do a roof by extrusion. So there's our roof on our house. These walls appear to be, now but go and look at this in the inside. Let's run a section through here. Now we're going to go into our second level. Let's go look at our second level. Our second floor. So there's our second floor, and there appears to be, this is right here going through. So if I want to drop a section through here and take a look, I can. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there for now. So we've seen how we do our roof. So now we got our roof done, but I need to fix these. This, attach top base. There we go. This one, attach top base. That one. So there you go. So we got our roof on here now. And next we'll look at our roof framing. So everybody, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Actually, let's go and look at our section view here. And I want to flip this around this way and see what we got going up next. So everybody, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Everybody be safe, and yep, there we go. So we'll see what's happening here. Okay. So here we're going to get our ceiling line. This is going to be our ceiling. Actually, we're going to put a ceiling right through there. And we don't need a ceiling here. This is going to be basically arch roof, and we're going to frame that. These walls go all the way up as well. So I'm going to go same thing here. I'm going to go select, attach, top. Okay. So we're going to finish this up here. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. We'll look at our roof framing next. Everybody be safe. And until next time, bye, y'all. Please subscribe.